It's that time again, folks. Wheelchair repairs. Yeah, wheelchairs are a funny old thing. I've explained this in previous videos. They cost a fucking fortune. We got a bit of help from the government with this one, and I'm due another one. Well, I'm overdue a new one. Now with Tina, aka the Hobbit, not working, she's going to see if she can get on a thing that, like an aid social type thing, MDPH. And once we're both on it, then we can get someone out and see what we're entitled to, basically. Obviously, we've been living in France for a good number of years. We've been working in France for a good number of years. We're paying into the system, so we are entitled to stuff. But yeah, I'm going to re-spoke my wheels again. Got a couple broken, so I'm just going to stick it on a time lapse where it'll just be fast forwarded or whatever, and I'll just get through and change. I've got a couple of spokes broken on one wheel and possibly on the other side. I'm not sure. I'll have to check. But when I did it last time, I put the tyre on backwards, so I'll have to swap that round as well. Not that it makes a great deal of difference, but anyway, I shall crack on. I'll see you at the other end. We could do stunts as well. All done. There wasn't any broken ones on either side, so a couple of new spokes. Swap the tyre around so it's pointing in the right direction. I don't like leaving trails in the snow with one wheel pointing that way, one wheel pointing that way, you know. Go through a puddle, you leave asymmetric tracks. It's no good, is it? I couldn't really give a monkeys, but I thought, well, while it's off, I'll put it on the right way around. I'll just keep an eye on the pressures for the next day or so. If I'd have caught the tube, it would have gone down already. So about 110 psi in these tubes, so they are quite high pressure. Not like a bike tyre. I don't know what you pump them up to, about 60 pound, is it 60 psi? So these are high pressure. Obviously, it takes a bit of a load, doesn't it, this wheelchair? Yeah, fat bastard. Yeah, so that's it. Whoa! Couple of wagtails having a scrap out here. Panda's back in the garage. We've got a few little jobs, as I've always keep saying, just to get that finished off. Number plate lights on the back, side repeaters on the front, just sort the tracking out, and just put a bit of gunk on the old exhaust just to block that up. Give it a good old polish, and then that's going up the road for a CT. What else has been going on? We had some beautiful weather the other day. It's nice now. Sun's out, it's glorious. But we have had some rain, and it has been absolutely crap. But I think this afternoon I'm going to jump on the digger. If you look on our other channel, Our Small Farm in France, which is where I do like the farming type videos, I was out the other day pruning trees, and I go out on the tractor with a long pole saw, just cutting off any overhanging ones. As the leaves come out, the weight of them, they drop down, and it just becomes awkward cutting the grass. So I've just been around, cut some low ones off, so I'm probably going to jump on the digger this afternoon. Go around, we've got the grapple on the digger, so I'll go around and pick those up, put them in our habitat pile. And that's pretty much going to be it for up in the garage here today. I'm just going to drink, Hobbit's just brought me a cup of tea up, drink that, and then probably get on the digger. And yeah, so this is going to be it for the Ben's Garage video. So, wheelchair maintenance. Luckily, I can do it myself. If I couldn't, then it would be going in for repairs, which is just a hassle. You can get the people to come out to your house. He has done before, but I just, when it's spokes and stuff like that, I just replace them myself now. So yeah, all good stuff. At least the sun's out. It's so miserable when it's raining. And that's going to be it for this video. I don't know what else I've got planned. Obviously, I'll do some videos on the Panda. I've got a couple of jobs to do on the Range Rover. Not desperate, but I want to get them done. So hopefully get the Panda out. The Range Rover can come in, and we can service the gearbox, other bits and pieces. Keep on top of that. Anyway, we'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.